Hello everybody, this is me Aisha from Corvit Systems Faisalabad. Today, I'm gonna share you another technique. In the last video, I told you a technique that calls the FF method. This is the second method. It's called ORP method. So what is ORP method? ORP method is a framework for answering your IELTS speaking questions. So what does ORP stands for? O stands for the opinion. So start your answer by giving opinion or thought to the topic. And R stands for the reason. Provide reasons or explanation to your thought. While P stands for the proof. So offer a proof or an example to illustrate your thoughts. Here I have written an example sentence, an example question for you. You can see, do you like living in a city? The response answer is, opinion is yes, I do like living in a city. Reason? The reason is that cities offer a wide range of amenities and opportunities. While the last part is its proof, or you can say it's an example. For example, I can easily access public transportations, restaurants, and entertainment options. You can see I use ORP method to answer this question. What is the benefit of this technique? This technique helps you to provide a well-structured response. It helps you to deliver a connected response. By practicing this technique, you can show your fluency and confidence in English speaking. So what's the tip? So tips is, use this ORP method with different questions and topics, and use linking words or phrases to connect your answer. Also, stay on the topic and avoid going off track. By using this technique, you can showcase your fluency and improve your band score. If you want to learn more English, you can follow our channel. Thank you very much.